Please give some list of benefits about a ceiling fan after installation.
There is lots of benefit. First of all, environmentally, it's very clean. So if we have to use the standing fan, we have to use lots of electric line. So which is causing problem in terms of productivity. Even transportation is not that much good at all. However, after we install the ceiling fan, those electricity lines has been disappeared, okay? So environmentally is very good. Second, workers are very happy about it. The power itself or the window strength itself is much better than what we expected, okay? So now every worker is very happy because when you have a standing fan, it may cause a problem for them in the WIP while you're handling it. It might be a throw off, but when you install the ceiling fan, all the problem also has been disappeared. Number three, we saved around 20% of our electricity. That is one of the benefits what we can expect from the company perspective.
And how about the maintenance and the space saving?
First of all, it's very easy to operate, and also you know that when you install them in the standing fan, so there is lots of dust and debris, which is causing problem for them in the standing fan. So we have to replace them in the motor at least every 6 months. But for that, when you can see that even we are running just less than 2 months there, so we found that dirty surface is causing problem to the pan has been disappeared almost, okay? So I think it's okay to just clean them in the blade just every 6 months. We will be happy about it.
Okay, thank you a lot. So, anything else you want to add?
Hope that the other PK also have the intention to install more. So if the other company which is having the similar environment like us, hope that they will install that fan have benefits such as benefit what we have